Good Morning Snore Solution is a doctor-recommended stop snoring mouthpiece developed by top sleep researchers. Clinically proven, it's comfortable and easy to use. Here's how it works. Place the mouthpiece in your mouth between your lips and front teeth. It can also be worn with or without dentures. Squeeze the tip of the mouthpiece with your thumb and first finger while sucking the air out. Push the tip of the tongue into the end of the mouthpiece and release your thumb and finger. This will create a seal that gently holds everything in place. Now relax your tongue and fall asleep. Your Good Morning Snore Solution mouthpiece might take a few tries before you can keep it in all night. Remember, practice makes perfect. Cleaning is easy. Just add cold water and a denture cleaning tablet or solution from your local pharmacy.
Now you can stop snoring instantly with Z-Quiet. That is designed and cleared by the FDA, so it's safe and effective. Snoring is caused by vibration from a narrow airway. Z-Quiet gently advances the jaw to widen the airway and instantly stop your snoring.
Z-Quiet's like magic. Literally, as soon as he puts it in, the snoring is gone.
If you do not want a device that you need to clean every morning or store it in a certain environment, this product is for you. If you do not want a device that requires a lot of prep time, this anti-snore product is your best option. This anti-snoring product is available in 3 different sizes, which is helpful for people with different sized heads.